I don't carry another better update carry come. Okay, so my people, this update dey funny because e don't say I no use am, I no go lie una. E don't reach 6 to 8 months I no use am, but the thing can't shock me. Now make I say I must come share this particular update here today. Okay, and today I go talk about how the update they work, wetin and wetin the update they do, and how we fit take go about them, and the pros and the cons. When I know as the thing they go now, and I go so drop my review, how I go take rate the update from 1 to 10. You know, I go drop my review for this particular video. You self, if you drop your own review too for comment section. If you see me for the first time, my name is Solomon. I dey come here con dey chat about different updates like this. If update drop, I go just, if I use them, if I see as in there, I will come here, come talk about them. If you want the collect update for my side, make sure you like this video, share this video, make sure you subscribe so that if I drop new update, YouTube go ring you say update don't drop, oh, and now you go be the first person to come watch them. I beg, make you know say this one no be financial advice. Me I no be financial advice, and I update what I use wey work for me. Now I dey come talk about, and I dey come share my own opinion. You say if you get your own opinion, okay? So this one are just educational. Another thing too, this one here no be tutorial. I know they do tutorial for this particular YouTube channel. Now review I dey come here can do tutorial. We review now two different things. I just say make I tell you so that as they go, you go know say okay, this one no be tutorial. But if you want to collect my tutorial, they make you go my Sidden account. If na new person you be, follow me for my Sidden account. Just go follow me there. You go see their handle for screen. Go there, go follow me, or I go drop them for comment section. Go follow me for my Sidden account, or join my Telegram channel. Another thing too, just comment where they watch this video from for comment section. So the platform I want to talk about today, they call them Owodaily, and this one now one of the most popular platforms within Nigeria currently. And this platform no be new platform. This platform a platform where me personally I started to use them around 2022 personally for me. But Owodaily na platform will be saying get your own issues. You understand? So we go talk about some of the things where they all about. They launch their app for Google Play Store and for App Store. But me, they like use their website. I know they like go through their all those kind of things. Now they talk say if they use them, make they do small tasks, then get different things for the platform. So we go check the things where they get today, one after the other. What be the first thing where they get what they call micro jobs. Micro jobs now small jobs. Then if they do, they go say go do this one, go do this one, go do this one. We go give you small thing, and if you do them, they review them. They see you don't do them true. They go give you the small thing. Then get another one that they call deals with cashback. Now these deals with cashback, they fit us say go buy this bag or buy this phone. This phone na 100k. If you buy this phone, they will give you cashback. You understand? If you give you cashback of like 30 to 20k, you understand? And so if you or 10k, you understand? They get deals with cashback. They get another thing where they call affiliate rewards. This one now when if they use the update and the update they switch you for body, if you just carry one of your party man or one of your friend or one of your family members say this update makes sense, oh, and if they can't join you, they use the platform or what they little say they gonna give you small thing, okay? Then get post campaign. If you come post small campaign, if you want me people go do small work give you. They get what they call community discussion. This one now like forum where be say if you go there, go share your opinion, one or two things about the update, okay? Then get Owodaily Plus, and then get Academy na place where if you can see different courses, you know, about different things like video editing. You won't learn all those small things like that. Then get courses here. If you go there, go check them. Now waiting with Owodaily, they all about be that. Now all be that. Waiting be some of the things where I like about this platform and some of the things we I not like about the platform. The first thing I like about the platform be saying they're very simple to understand. The second thing I like about the platform be say if you complete the attacks, they no go take too much time to review them. Another thing to be say the reward here no be saying too big, but at least in the okay, it's not that bad compared to others. Another thing too I like about the platform is say they get plenty things where if you do for this particular platform, they get so many things. You know, I don't mention a lot of them. They get plenty things. Another thing too I like about the platform, if you go for their job section, then get plenty jobs the way they are available. What be the cons? What be some of the things why I not like? Number one, Owodaily no be free. They talk say before you go feed they use their platform, so you go put small thing like 5k. So if you they eye the up, they just know say small thing go come out from your side, and now something be that. Another Another thing we I don't like about the platform is say their withdrawal here no be instantly. Their withdrawal here na just once a week. So for example, today na Sunday. If I place withdrawal today, na till next week Friday, where I go receive my small thing from the platform. Another thing I don't like about them to be say if you know they careful, they feed deactivate your account. But apart from that, Owodaily na up the way sharp where this Friday we just passed, so I've been comot my small thing last week Friday. So they can't send them this week Friday put for my Owodaily account. If these people permit me, I go drop am for my screenshot and I say I don't come on my small thing. I think na around 20k where they put give me sha. Money be just dey the account like that. I no been the user and do anything. Be just there. I can't log in, can't go see say I get small thing. No, I just say this man just come out and carry buy small data. So as I can't come out and last week, now this week where they can't send the stuff. So now 1 week they take. If me personally, I won't rate them based on how I don't use them for years and based on how in day I feel give make I just give 7/10. The platform is still active, unlike Hawkit. This one still active till now. It's still smooth. People still use them steadily. Their customer service still active. You know, their UI still they work. You know, the platform it makes sense for me. I go give them 7/10 ratings, not 10/10. 7/10. What thing you go rate them? Make you tell me or tell us what you go rate them for comment section. You don't use Owodaily? How long you don't use Owodaily? Drop your opinion in the comment section. I go like know how long you don't use this platform. Just tell us for comment section. I go see you now for my next video and bye for now.